Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create the My Idols TikTok video like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is actually a perfume TikTok video ad which has really grown into popularity with TikTok users actually making videos of their real idols in their life. The perfume is not needed, as in the video you can showcase your idols in your life, for example your mom, dad, siblings or even friends. So let me show you how to create the video. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. Within the list find hashtag myidoles, or you can do a search on this hashtag. You want to tap on the official ad of My Idols perfume video, which are the two ladies wearing a pink dress. Now tap on the share icon and save the video to your phone. Make sure you save it to your device. Now go back to your home screen and start your camera app. Record a video of yourself for about 5 seconds. You can be saying the sentence, "Here's to my idol behind every success." Or you could just be looking in the distance and smiling. Now go to your app store and search for CapCut. Download the app and then open it. Now on this screen, tap on New Project. Select the videos you've downloaded and the video which you have recorded. Then press Next. Now these two clips should drop into your timeline. Select the My Idols video from TikTok and then using the option below, select Extract Audio. You should see the audio detached from the video. Select the video and delete it. This should bring your recorded video on top of the sound. Play your video and make note of when the beat kicks in. This should be right after the speaker says success or at 3 seconds exact. Select your video and trim it down so it ends at 3 seconds. At the end of the video you have a CapCut logo. You can select it and delete it. Select your video and then using the option down below, choose volume. Turn the volume down for your video to 0. Now tap on the tick mark. Now tap on the plus sign and select 7 photos of your idols from your photo library. These are the timings which you should set for each photo. The first photo should be 1.2 seconds long. Then the second and third should be 1.7 seconds long. The fourth should be 1.5 seconds long. The fifth should be 2 seconds long. The sixth should be 1.9 seconds long. And the last one should be 2 seconds long. Now watch your video and make sure you're happy with it. Once you're happy, tap on the export arrow at the top right of the screen to export it and save it to your phone. Now go back to your TikTok app, go to the official My Idols video, tap on the sound, then tap on Use this sound. Upload your video which you have created, and this should sync exactly with the video you exported and the music you're using. Press Next and listen to the sound again. If the music does not sync up, you will hear an echo. To fix this issue, tap on sound and mute the original video audio. Now add your stickers and text and then press Next. In this screen, make sure you add your hashtag myidols to the description. This should class the video as one of the My Idols video. And then when you're ready, go ahead and post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the My Idols video on TikTok. Hope you found this useful and easy to follow. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.